innovation, and entrepreneurship, entire economies grow stronger, societies become more equitable, and the solutions we create become richer, more inclusive, and far more impactful. Women are saying we constitute half the world, and we need our voice to be included. For far too long, solutions to all problems have been resolved from the male point of view. Women are saying we are different, not better, not worse, but different. And this difference needs to be included in the global dialogue that is taking place, whether it is in business, whether it is in entrepreneurship, of course, which comes with, or in politics, or resolving global conflicts. In many ways, this idea of progress and purpose resonates deeply with my own. When I hear 50 years in the industry, I must admit, it feels more than a bit overwhelming. It doesn't feel like a number. It feels like a lifetime of stories, experiences, risks, and learning. And truly, I've simply been doing what I love, being part of stories that matter. There have been moments of great joy, but also moments of doubt, uncertainty, and reinvention. There were times when the path ahead was unclear, when choices seemed quite distant or not easy. But I have always believed that if you remain true to your values, the journey somehow finds its way. For me, cinema has never been just about entertainment. It has been a reflection of society, of people, of truth. I feel fortunate to have been part of work that has in its own way tried to say something meaningful, particularly about women, their strength, their vulnerability, and their complexity. An artist's resource base must be life itself. And when an artist looks to be involved in life and connected to its resource bases, you ask the question why? Why is there inequality? Why is there injustice? What can we do to turn this around? And that's where we need to be included. And as I reflect on today's theme, I feel a deep sense of connection. Because at its core, whether it is cinema, science, or entrepreneurship, it is all about courage. The courage to think differently, to question, and to create. And today, women across the world are embodying that courage in extraordinary ways. So today, I invite each one of you to reflect. If you are a leader, how are you enabling women to rise? If you are an investor, are you backing women-led innovation? If you're an educator, are you encouraging young girls to explore science and entrepreneurship? And if you are a woman with a dream, know this, your voice, your ideas, and your ambition matter now more than ever. The future is not something we wait for. It is something we create. To the young woman here, I would simply say, do not try to fit into a mold. Be yourself. There will be setbacks, and that is part of the journey. They shape you. Trust your voice and never hesitate to use it. And as you move forward, bring others along with you, because that is where true impact lies. What I also find deeply meaningful about a platform like BRICS CCI is the coming together of diverse voices from across the world. In times like these, that shared sense of purpose and collaboration becomes more important than ever.